Welcome to Tech Monetize Official. Today, I'm revealing 7 penny stocks that could be game changers. These aren't just random picks. Each one is a high-risk, high-reward opportunity in sectors like hydrogen, EVs, cannabis, and 3D printing. I've done the research and I'm breaking down why these could be the biggest plays of the year. If you want more videos with massive opportunities, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's dive right in. First up is a company that could literally power the future. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but it is a look at some of the most exciting stocks on the market. Let's get started. First up is Plug Power, ticker PLUG. This is a company with a vision that's nothing short of world-changing. Their mission? To make hydrogen power accessible and practical for everyone, everywhere. Plug Power is leading the hydrogen fuel cell revolution, powering everything from warehouses to trucks. Their technology is already transforming how major industries move goods and operate heavy machinery, offering a cleaner, more efficient alternative to traditional fuels. They've landed huge deals with Amazon and Walmart, proving their tech is real and in demand. These partnerships aren't just for show. They're a sign that some of the world's biggest companies believe in Plug Power's potential to reshape logistics and supply chains. The market hasn't caught up yet. Plug Power is investing billions in green hydrogen infrastructure across North America and Europe. They're building the backbone for a future where hydrogen is as common as gasoline, laying pipelines, plants, and fueling stations to support a global shift. If they succeed, they could become the gas station of the hydrogen economy. Imagine a world where you pull up to refuel, but instead of gasoline, it's clean, renewable hydrogen powering your vehicle or business. Every push for green energy is a win for Plug Power, positioning them for a massive share of the energy market. As governments and corporations race to cut emissions, Plug Power stands to benefit from every new regulation and incentive. Their commitment to innovation is relentless. Plug Power isn't just following trends, they're setting them, pushing the boundaries of what hydrogen technology can do. Their vertical integration, producing hydrogen and building the fuel cells, gives them a huge edge. By controlling every step from production to deployment, they can scale faster and keep costs down, making hydrogen more competitive. It's a bold, aggressive play, but the upside is enormous if their vision becomes reality. Investors who get in early could ride a wave of growth as hydrogen adoption accelerates worldwide. Think of Plug Power as the early days of the internet or EVs. High risk, but potentially legendary returns. The journey won't be smooth, but the rewards could be game-changing for those willing to take the leap. Don't just see a stock price, see the future of clean energy. Plug Power represents a chance to be part of a global transformation, not just a financial investment. That's why Plug Power tops our list. Their ambition, technology, and partnerships put them in a league of their own. Ready for the next explosive pick? Let's go. Next up is NIO, a name you might not know yet, but one that's making serious waves in the electric vehicle world. Ticker symbol NIO. This Chinese EV company isn't just another Tesla clone. They're bringing something truly unique to the table, and it's turning heads across the globe. NIO's secret weapon? Battery as a service. Instead of waiting around for your car to charge, you simply swap your depleted battery for a fully charged one in just a few minutes at their power swap stations. No more range anxiety, no more long waits. This innovative approach not only solves the biggest pain point for EV owners, but it also keeps costs down and makes electric cars more accessible for everyone. It's a game changer that gives NIO a massive edge over traditional charging models. NIO isn't stopping at China. They're expanding rapidly into Europe, setting up a global network and building a passionate, loyal community through their unique NIO houses, which are part showroom, part social club. But here's the kicker. NIO isn't just selling cars. They're selling a lifestyle, complete with a subscription model that brings in recurring revenue and keeps customers coming back for more. Sure, the stock's been beaten down lately, but don't let that fool you. Their core business is stronger than ever, and their vision is only getting bigger. As NIO scales up, those high-margin subscriptions and services could absolutely explode, driving profits and growth for years to come. You're not just investing in a car company here, you're buying into a tech-driven ecosystem with smart features, connected services, and a vision for the future of mobility. NIO is building a defensible moat, locking in customers with their unique offerings and creating a brand that people genuinely love. This is a growth story that's still in its early innings. The potential here is massive, and the journey is just beginning. Don't sleep on NIO. Let's move to the next sector and see what other disruptors are shaking up the market. Buckle up, it's about to get wild. Now, let's talk cannabis. Sundial Growers, ticker SNDL. This company has been making serious waves in the industry, and it's not just because of the green plants they grow. Sundial is quickly becoming a name you can't ignore if you're looking for the next big thing in the cannabis sector. Sundial isn't just a grower anymore. They've transformed into a financial powerhouse with nearly $1 billion in cash and zero debt. That's right. While other companies are struggling to stay afloat, Sundial is sitting on a mountain of cash, giving them the flexibility to make bold moves and weather any storm. They're lending to other cannabis companies, earning steady revenue while financing the sector's growth. Through their Sunstream Bancorp arm, Sundial is acting like a bank for the cannabis industry, providing much-needed capital to businesses that can't get traditional loans. Sundial's also buying up retail chains, controlling the supply chain from cultivation to sale. By acquiring Spirit Leaf and Alcanna, they now own hundreds of retail locations, giving them a direct line to consumers and a powerful distribution network. This vertical integration gives them pricing power and direct access to customers. It means they can control quality, set their own margins, and respond quickly to market trends, something most competitors can only dream of. The biggest catalyst? US legalization is coming, and Sundial is perfectly positioned to pounce. If federal laws change, Sundial's experience and resources could let them expand into the US market almost overnight, capturing massive new opportunities. With their cash pile and Canadian expertise, they could dominate the US market overnight. Their management team is already laying the groundwork, studying regulations and scouting partnerships to ensure a smooth entry when the time is right. The stock trades for less than their cash, making this a deep value play with explosive upside. Investors are essentially getting the business for free with all the growth potential still ahead. Don't just see a pot stock, see a bank, retailer, and cultivator in one. Sundial is building a diversified empire, blending finance, retail, and agriculture under one roof. Sundial is built for domination. With visionary leadership and a rock-solid balance sheet, they're ready to seize every opportunity the green rush has to offer. Next up, a company trusted by the CIA. If you thought Sundial was impressive, wait until you see what's coming. You don't want to miss this. Let's keep rolling. On to the next. Meet Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR, the data company trusted by governments and corporations worldwide. Co-founded by Peter Thiel and funded by the CIA, Palantir's software helps track threats and uncover hidden patterns in massive data sets. Their government contracts provide stable revenue, but the real growth is in their commercial platform, Foundry. Foundry helps companies like Airbus and BP optimize operations and save millions. As businesses drown in data, Palantir's solutions become essential. The market still sees them as a slow-growing contractor, but their commercial side is just getting started. As Foundry grows, the stock could be massively revalued. Palantir combines government stability with explosive commercial potential. This is a long-term play at the heart of the global data economy. Ready for a future tech pick? Let's jump to 3D printing for electronics. Here's why it matters. Nano Dimension, ticker NNDM, is revolutionizing electronics with 3D printing. Their Dragonfly system lets engineers print complex circuit boards in hours, not weeks, speeding up innovation across industries. This tech is a game changer for aerospace, defense, and medical devices, allowing secure in-house production. Nano Dimension isn't just selling printers. They're building an ecosystem, acquiring companies in robotics, AI, and advanced materials. Their recurring revenue model means customers keep coming back for proprietary inks. The market for this is just starting, and Nano Dimension is the clear leader. With a huge cash reserve, they're positioned to dominate as demand explodes. Investing in NNDM now is like getting in early on 3D printing, but for a much bigger industry. The future of manufacturing is here. Next, a company blending EVs and fintech. Let's break it down. On to the next pick. Ideanomics, ticker IDEX, is a wild card combining electric vehicles and fintech. Their mobility division owns companies making electric tractors, motorcycles, and wireless charging for buses, focusing on commercial EVs. Ideanomics Capital provides financing, making it easier for cities and businesses to adopt electric fleets. They control the entire transaction, owning the vehicles and providing the financing. This self-reinforcing ecosystem means more vehicle sales drive more financing business. They're also exploring blockchain to monetize carbon credits and create new financial products. The company's complexity scares off some investors, but that's where the opportunity lies. Ideanomics is building a one-stop shop for commercial EV adoption. High risk, high reward, but the vision is massive. Next up, a feel-good stock in pet care. Let's wrap up with a company that could save your pet's life. Here's the final pick. Don't miss it. Last up is Zomedica, ticker ZOM, a veterinary health company changing pet care. Their Truforma platform lets vets run complex diagnostic tests in office, with results in minutes. Faster results mean better treatment for pets and less stress for owners. Zomedica uses a razor and blade model. They sell the device but make recurring revenue from single-use test cartridges. As more clinics adopt Truforma, recurring revenue grows. They're expanding their product line and sales force, building a strong foundation. Strategic acquisitions like PulseVet add profitable products and credibility. The pet care market is huge and growing, and Zomedica is carving out a valuable niche. It's early days, but the potential is enormous. This is a feel-good, high-upside investment. Let's wrap up. That's a wrap. 7 penny stocks with explosive potential, from hydrogen to pet care. Remember, do your own research and decide if these fit your strategy. If you want more deep dives, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching Tech Monetize Official. Drop a comment with your favorite pick. I read them all. See you in the next video.